Fun and Sun RV Resort and Retirement Community in San Benito, Texas, held its annual Park Craft Exhibition Saturday, March 12, 2022 in the dance hall. Do you have a creative expression or a desire to creatively express yourself? Well, if you do, consider being a winter Texan at Fun and Sun. A broad range of artistic talent creates diverse crafts while offering the opportunity to create in a social setting, in some cases with resources and tools you might not have. In other words, if you like to craft with others instead of by yourself, Fun and Sun can accommodate your need to socialize and have access to equipment and expertise. For example, the resort has an art room with supplies for many forms of art. Plus, classes are offered for all major methods, including pastels, oil, acrylics, and watercolors. Do you prefer performance art instead? Well, Fun and Sun's Players Drama Club will keep you busy year-round supporting plays. Are you a writer fighting through a block? Sometimes talking with other writers can lead you through, and the Writers Group Club might just be your ticket. Do you like making things with your hands? Whether it's applique, basket weaving, embroidery, greeting card making, lapidary, quilting, sewing, stained glass making, or woodworking, there's something for most. Or are you a musician? The park has a music room just for you and supports several events produced each winter. Traditionally, we've had ukulele players, but they're open and welcome to all instruments. Still interested in some craft where you can work by yourself but would love some company? Fun and Sun has you covered with the Do Your Own Thing group. Just bring your craft, do your own thing, and have fun being social all at the same time. You won't believe the talent we have here at Fun and Sun. You might even find a new activity to try next season. Finally, the Park Craft Exhibition is your opportunity to share your talents and encourage others to express themselves and have fun while doing so. The craft exhibition is another of many dances, dinners, shows, and other events provided while hosting Winter Texans. These activities are on top of being the largest RV park in the Rio Grande Valley with the most amenities. For those who've never stayed at Fun and Sun or any full-fledged resort, calling it an RV resort is a misnomer. It's really an adult summer camp. If you're bored here, it's your own fault because there's something for everyone. And the park is less than 5 miles from all the shopping you'll need, including nearby access to Mexico for shopping, entertainment, medical and dental care, as well as inexpensive and unavailable medicines in the United States. Just don't forget your passport.